Hello everyone, I'm going to be filming some advanced example solves of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and this is the RS3M2020. It's a really good cube and it's worth buying, and it's 10 times better than the old RS3M. Just want to place it there. So first scramble, all the scrambles will be a description, and this time I'm gonna be doing it right. So. Okay, so yellow is pretty good, so I'm gonna be doing yellow cross. I have my pieces here, and here. I'm doing this, there, and that, and align that there to say that pair. Oh, this is pretty nice, probably. So anyway, I want to solve that and that pair, because I have this one, which can be solved pretty quickly, and I can solve that afterwards, and and so you April. Second scramble. Blue. Yes, this is pretty good. I'm gonna do that there, which gives me this pair. Do that, rotate, solve that there, and this one what I would do is put in the back, sledgehammer, sorry, scissor, yes, and put it here, lefty sledge, and then that, and Ola line. Oh, sorry, I'm not, sorry. What? Sorry, I messed up so much. Sorry, yeah. So third scramble. So easy white cross, and do that there, and then in the back. I would say that, so D2, and we have a free pair here, so I can cancel into that, and these two match. So the case for this is a sledge, do that, and solve this at last, that, and all of that, and April. I'm gonna do yellow cross. This is my first pair, so I'm just gonna do that, align that there, D fast, and that's a pretty good X cross, and so I'm going to that, cancel there, and this is my last pair, Ola line, G come. So sixth scramble. Red seems pretty good, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna do that there, and I'll just put that down, which will give me this as my first pair. I can go ahead with these two, but that's not very efficient. So from this angle, I would do this pair to the back slot, and what I would do is that there, and next this one, or you put that there, sledge, and put that, and okay, so I don't really practice and the Oh, sorry, I didn't. Yeah, and this is the 7th scramble. Red cross again. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna align that there. That which will you could do that there, and I can just put this one back there, and it will give me this good multi-slot case. So for multi-slot, I'll remove that, and we should have its corresponding corner. Let's see, corner. Yes, yes, okay, sorry. That so now I'm going to be solving this pair, and that like that. Oh lol, and so they're really good. Last it would be sub 2. So I'm going to be doing an cross. I align the blue there and put that there. And the way I would solve this in this corner is block building from Megaminx. And go into that, which will give me this. We'll have corner. It's the corner here. There, and I would do this with 2 rotations and cancel into all of DC, I guess. So last scramble. I would try to go to color neutral, but red is still good. I mean white is still good. So anyway, I'm just gonna align these two there, put that corner, put that there, which will give me this as my first part. I D2 like that, further slot, and rotate, scroll that like that, and this here like that. I'm not so comfortable with the right back here, so and sorry. It's another fun JPEG that I use, JA. For this one, what I will actually do is many people do the left one, but the thing that destroys my solves is this one. I'm gonna pause this JPEG in the description. If you know a better one, you can please suggest, because kind of destroys my sub-8 averages. But I'm trying very hard for sub 7, and I may not be competing for this Sunday's cubing at home. Yeah, who cares? So anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, then like and subscribe if you want. And anyway, just leave your opinions down. Should I talk more louder, and is my accent weird, and is my way of teaching different, or anything like that? Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.